係啦，爬係啦 ，yes 係啦。Every time when I teach students, this method is really good for everyone. Just make it as low as you can, and then as long as you can. Okay, yeah. So next one I think we will go to PDK next time. I don't want to start PDK because PDK is not easy to make. Maybe we make more conversation. For example, 我太太去大帽山爬山，我同佢一齊去。You know the meaning？ 一齊。我同佢一齊去，我幫佢影相。I help her。我幫佢影相。Or maybe you can try. Since you can speak some Cantonese, maybe you can try. For example, we take this scenery, okay? That you are going to climb the mountain or go for a picnic, or go for a trip with your wife. And then maybe you just tell the experience. Where did you go? What did you do? And then how do you feel? What have you seen? And then how do you think about what you have seen? You can just speak anything. Try. I will help you how to correct. Yes. À. 影相嗱，印咧就係 if you for example you put put some ink 嘅 you put a paper on some ink 嘅 then this is 印啊 or you put a chop okay on the paper that this 印啊 okay but 影咧就係 take a photo 影相影 yeah Maybe you listen to some just now. I say that the whole Cantonese province includes many people speaking different dialects. Okay, so you have sometimes it's really difficult to change back. Okay, yeah.又係客家 so you are under great influence of 客家 so yeah especially when you are not yet good at Cantonese but you are under the influence of other dialects then you will be quite difficult okay so you okay yeah it's good okay 影相係啦any more you want to say for example what have you seen You try, just try. Sometimes you just have no time to try. So you try, and then I try to help you to make it fluent, make it complete, make it right. Maybe you just can say a few words. For example, just like you say 烘醒 I can think, I can guess. Oh, you should be 瞓醒 Okay, so I'm quite clever to understand people's spoken language. Okay, yeah, okay. Ừ. 我諗下係咪啊？又嘅 ，let me think 啊！我諗，我瞓醒係啦。一陣間你瞓覺嗱，yeah。Like remember 喎，now you already learn to connect different parts smoothly 嘅。教 last time you already learn 教教 just like the sound of teach 教 the same sound. So you protrude your mouth and then you open your mouth wide and then gradually protrude and keep the protruding part. Otherwise, you know how to make some faces, but your sound is still not exactly correct. Okay? 覺係啦，我瞓覺。The move the mouth movement, okay, from double A and then gradually close and gradually protrude. 教 and then keep the ending part. good，OK 啦，咁就好好啦。瞓覺，咁一陣間係啊，一陣間上完堂就已經係12點咯喎，半夜咯，遠到半夜嚇 midnight，半夜，yeah，係啦，咁半夜啦，我要瞓覺啦。係啦，OK good 啦。咁any word to say? If not, then we can end the class because just now we also 1 minute earlier, but I don't mind giving you 2 more minutes. But you are already near your sleeping time, so I never mind that you come in earlier, and then you can end the class earlier. Even just a few minutes may be good for you. So any more to say? OK good。咁瞓覺咁祝你瞓得好，that means you have a good sleep。祝你瞓得好。好，拜拜，拜拜。